Stop ignoring the bird flu outbreak in New South Wales. It's more serious than you think. Nearly 250,000 birds are being culled on a farm in NSW to contain a rapidly spreading bird flu. The deadly H7N8 strain has already claimed the lives of 8,000 birds in just 48 hours. Authorities are urging strict biosecurity measures to prevent further spread. This outbreak has also led to the quarantine of a major egg farm. Over 1 million chickens and ducks across Victoria and NSW are set to be euthanized to control the situation. While the governments assure that there's no public health risk, the economic and environmental impacts are significant. It's crucial to stay informed and comply with all biosecurity guidelines. The goal is to halt the spread and minimize damage. This is a developing situation and we'll keep you updated with the latest. Stay tuned, stay safe, and let's work together to handle this crisis.